If reading is what you're not needing, then this summary with Jessica will really be helpful to you. Before you read this article down below, you can watch this video and it'll give you a quick rundown of what it's about. If you've inherited a home and your first reaction wasn't excitement, you're not alone. A lot of people imagine inheritance as a blessing, but when a house comes with repair issues, old debts, or just emotional weight, it can feel more like a burden than a gift. And that's okay. The good news is you do have options, and none of them require you to be stuck with a property you don't want. For most people, the simplest path is selling. You can sell the home as is, skip repairs, skip renovations, and walk away with cash. If the home is in probate, the court may need to approve the sale, but a probate-experienced agent can guide you through that. And here's something a lot of heirs don't realize. Thanks to the step-up in basis, taxes are often much lower than expected when you sell an inherited home. If you're not ready to sell or you're thinking about generating income, you can rent the property out. Just remember, becoming a landlord comes with maintenance, tenant issues, insurance costs, all the things you may not want added to your life. Another option is donating the home. For some families, especially when the property needs major work, donating it to a nonprofit or charity offers a clean exit and a potential tax deduction. You can also disclaim the inheritance altogether, or transfer your share to another heir who actually wants the home. These paths come with rules and deadlines, but they're absolutely valid options. At the end of the day, the right choice depends on the home's condition, your finances, your emotional bandwidth, and whether other heirs are involved. For many people, selling an inherited house they don't want is the easiest and most practical way to move forward. If you'd like help understanding your options or want a simple, stress-free way to sell an inherited property, KEES Homes is here when you're ready. Let's walk through it together.